Welcome to Mars Weather. Today, we'll start by checking in on the surface rovers, then take a look at the three-sol forecast ahead. Perseverance, currently active and operating at Jezero Crater, moved 6.8 meters on Sol 1927 of the mission, bringing its total odometer to 43.66 kilometers. Today's weather forecast for Jezero Crater shows a high temperature of -39 degrees and a low of -75 degrees, with winds at 63 kilometers per hour and a pressure of 7.9 millibars. The dust optical depth is estimated at 0.74. Curiosity, still active and exploring Gale Crater, drove 26.1 meters on Sol 4963 of the mission, accumulating a total distance of 37.90 kilometers. Gale Crater's weather today features a high of -29 degrees and a low of -72 degrees, with winds blowing at 57 kilometers per hour and a pressure of 9 millibars. The dust optical depth is measured at 0.82. Curiosity's Navcam captured imagery on Sol 4964 of the mission at Gale Crater, providing recent raw frames from the Martian surface. Rome, now dormant, was last confirmed at Utopia Planitia, where it recorded a total traverse distance of 1.92 kilometers by Sol 347 of the mission. No further movement has been confirmed since. Today's forecast for Utopia Planitia includes a high of -50 degrees and a low of -82 degrees, with wind speeds reaching 98 kilometers per hour and a pressure of 9.2 millibars. The dust optical depth is 0.95. In sight, a retired lander at Elysium Planitia has never moved from its landing site. Today's weather model for Elysium Planitia predicts a high of -27 degrees and a low of -73 degrees, with winds at 47 kilometers per hour and a pressure of 7.8 millibars. The dust optical depth is estimated at 0.9. Sol 604 brings a high of -33 degrees. The dominant sky at Hellas Planitia is a dusty haze with a dust optical depth peak of 1.25. Winds peak at 99 kilometers per hour near the Viking 1 location. Overnight lows will drop to -77 degrees. Temperatures rise slightly through the next sols, with daytime highs warming from -32 to -31 degrees. Overnight lows remain steady around -75 to -78 degrees. Dust optical depth decreases gradually, and wind speeds remain high but fluctuate across the three sols. The first Phobos crossing of the apparent disk of Mars lasts 54 minutes. This event is not visible from Los Angeles and New York because daylight or twilight obscures the sky, and Mars is below the horizon in London. The next Phobos crossing of the apparent disk of Mars lasts 54 minutes. In London, visibility begins at 2:24 in the morning and ends at 3:18 in the morning. Mars remains below the horizon for Los Angeles and New York during this time. The third Phobos crossing of the apparent disk of Mars lasts 54 minutes. This event is not visible from Los Angeles because Mars is below the horizon, while daylight or twilight obscures visibility in New York and London. Mars is currently in the constellation Taurus. For observers in New York, Mars rises at 2:27 in the morning and sets at 5:28 in the afternoon. That's your daily Mars weather update. Stay tuned for more from the Red Planet in the next Sol.